and welcome to the episode of Grumpy Outlaw Kitchen, where today we're doing it quick, easy, and simple for you guys. And what we're going to be doing today is a pan-seared mahi-mahi and asparagus. I've been wanting to be healthy for a minute, so I wanted to cook something healthy for y'all today. So today we're doing healthy. Alright, so we're going to need a few things for the mahi-mahi. Number one, salt, preferably our Himalayan pink salt, green pepper, Asian toasted sesame seed dressing, of course our mahi, and then our asparagus, and last but not least, extra virgin olive oil. We're not going to be using butter or anything like we normally use because we're trying to be healthy for this. We're going to keep it simple as possible with the price point of $22. That's right, for $22 you can make all this glorious mix at home. Okay? So let's go ahead and get right into it. So now first thing we want to do is go ahead and hone our knife. Get it nice and sharp and ready to use. And now for our asparagus, what we want to do is we want to just chop them in half or chop them in three. I prefer three, that way you get your good head and get rid of that nasty bottom part. So what we'll do is we'll go ahead right here above the neck, one foot slice, and then get the rest of your bottom right there. And again, tip down, boom, just like that, get rid of your bottoms. And that's all we really need to do. Now we'll go ahead and take our olive oil and head right to the pan and start cooking. So we go ahead and put our asparagus in our pan with olive oil. About 3 teaspoons will do you. Then we're going to crack open our salt and give a touch of salt, just like this. The light covering right there. Our pepper, like that, boom. And that's all we really gonna do until this bad boy starts ripping and rolling. We'll saute that, add our fish, and keep it moving. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and start sauteing our mahi-mahi. Just get it in there smooth and easy like that. Be careful, your fish will stick. And then we'll go ahead, add our second piece just like that. Make sure you guys are wearing gloves. And then again, we're gonna go ahead, hit it with the salt and the pepper. So there's our pepper. Bang. And our salt. Bang. Now what we're going to do now is give it a little minute. Let this bad boy rip. Bring it down to about a nice medium so we don't overcook it. Get it underneath your fish and flip it. Just like that. Underneath and flip. Just like that. And now what we're going to do, the final touch. You're going to go ahead and take your Asian toasted sesame dressing. Nice 2 lines. Nice 2 lines. And we're going to let that work in there. Just like that. Now we went ahead and flipped it so we can get both sides with the dressing. So here we go. Back and forth. Boom. Back and forth. Boom. Just like that, nice and easy. We got our oil calming down a little bit so you're not hearing all that popping and stuff. So we'll let this cook all the way through. Get about 5 more minutes, we'll temp it and see where we're at. Alright, now that our food got nice and cooked and done, we're going to go ahead and plate. Take a little bit of asparagus right there on the bottom. Just like that, nice and easy. And then we'll take our main event, our mahi-mahi, lay it across. And there you guys go. Asparagus with a mahi-mahi, pan seared for your enjoyment.